Welcome back to another diecast showcase. Today, well, I gotta move all this off to the side because we are taking a look at this, the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Trophy Champions pack. There are 5 monster trucks in here and 6 Hot Wheels cars. This pack is fairly large. I got this at Target. They were hitting for the holiday season, so you can put it under the tree, but I bought it for myself because, I collect this stuff. There are some exclusive stuff in here that are exclusive to this Trophy Champions pack that will not be released anywhere else. All this other stuff will be released or has been released, and we'll get to that soon. I'm going to crack this thing open. Oh, here's the back of the box. Have all the monster trucks here. It tells you what monster trucks are in the pack. And yeah, there's that if you want it. I think I just got this online. There's like an online link for it, so I didn't buy it, and I didn't have to go in the store and hunt for it. All right, here we go. Slide this out, and I'm just gonna talk about the stuff. So I'm gonna start with these 4 cars right here. These are not labeled as exclusives in the pack because these are all re-releases of cars. And the places that these were re-released from are quite weird, and I want to talk about them. I'm going to start off with this guy up here, the Twin-Duction. This is Twin-Duction, copyright date of 2010 because it did debut in the 2011 mainline. But this version is actually the 2012 mainline version. So this is a re-release of the 2012 mainline version. I think it was in like a Code Cars sub-series when Hot Wheels was doing like the online code stuff, or you can like do the code, you can play with it online or something. I don't know. There's Twin-Duction. All right. Next one I'm going to do is Dogzilla. This is the Dogzilla. It doesn't say it on the base, but this is Dogzilla, and it came out in 2016. That was its debut, and this version is from the 2018 Jungle Rally 5-pack. Quite a weird place to pick from. I think because they wanted to do like an all-gold pack. They were trying to pick gold cars. So yeah, they picked the Jungle Rally 5-pack version of Dogzilla. I do like the seats in the back here. It reminds me of the Subaru Brat, which is kind of cool. There's a dog barking. It's not my dog, it's someone else's dog. All right, let's do this one next. The Custom Auto. This version, this casting debuted in 2008. It was retooled for the mainline in 2020. This version is a re-release of the Flying Customs release of it from 2021. Flying Customs, that now retired Target exclusive set, at least stateside it was Target exclusive. Yeah, this is a re-release from the Flying Customs set. Okay, you really wanted gold cars, I guess. So here it is. I'm going to kind of gloss over these. When I was doing research for this video, I was shocked at where some of these models came from, and this one probably shocked me the most. This is the Loop, if I can get it out of the package, the Loop Coupe. Casting debuted in 2013. This version is a re-release of the 2015, oh, look at the top of mine. It's all scratched up from package rub, I'd assume. That's not very awesome. Anyway, I got sidetracked. This comes from the 2015 International Mystery Models set. Yes. Mystery models. The little like blind bags, little baggy cars that you get. That's where this came from. And oddly, and even weirder enough, this was the chase in that set. If you remember, the way they used to do the mystery model chases before they switched to like the numbered cars, they used to be gold cars. So the chase would be a gold car, and yeah, this was the chase in that set, and it's such a weird place to pick a re-release from. Like these re-releases over here are just all so strange at where they came from. But I guess that's what they wanted. They did. Or that's what they had to do in order to get gold cars. All right, let's do the monster trucks. I'm going to start with Tiger Shark up here. So these, I believe, are all going to be coming out eventually. I think I've seen pictures online of, like, there's some singles release of these. So the only exclusive one in here is Bigfoot. The rest of these will hit eventually, but I don't have any of these yet. So all of these had gold wheels. Actually, they're just unpainted chrome. It looks like they painted them gold. Not painted them. I don't know if they're wrapped or... I don't know. Same with the chassis. The chassis base color is just a silver chrome. But it actually is a finish in a gold. And it looks nice. Gives it kind of a Spectre Flame finish. The body itself is, I believe, unpainted underneath. As you can see, all that bare metal. And it has kind of a gold finish. So there's kind of gold accents on it. There's the teeth, kind of a goldish color. There's the Hot Wheels monster truck. That's actually, I think, is that the old logo? I know they did. There's a new... No, actually, that is the new logo. I actually brought out the other Tiger Shark to see some differences. So yeah, the whites are now gold, basically, and they obviously changed the logo there. And the orange is also a much darker orange, kind of more of a metallic color. And the windshield is also like a frosted gold. Look at that. It's got like glitter in the windshield. Pretty cool. The nose is also gold. I'm sorry about that dog in the background. It's annoying me too. I don't know what it's doing. But here it is. So that's Tiger Shark. We're going to do the next one. We'll do Bone Shaker. So Bone Shaker, yeah, you can see it almost looks like it's Spectre Flame, but it's not. I believe they just printed this on. So, oh, that's actually new. They added the Bone Shaker logo on the roof. I actually haven't... this, I think, is from 2020, maybe? I don't remember, but this is when they added the roof decal here. They actually added the Bone Shaker logo there, which I didn't know they did because I haven't really been keeping up with Hot Wheels monster trucks. So, the skull and the engine there are gold. You can see the white graphics have been changed to gold as well. The flames haven't changed color, though. Oh, I see what they did. They took the Hot Wheels and the monster trucks logo and they just combined them into one logo, which you could barely see there. Yeah, Bone Shaker, I will say, looks really cool as this gold version. I think the graphics look really nice. And oh, look at that logo. Look at the Hot Wheels logo. The black turns to gold as well. That's weird. Oh, no, actually, it may... so the flames are confusing me. Because on the hood, you can see they changed, like, the red outline to gold. Same with this side. They changed the red outline to gold. On this side, they didn't change it to gold. I'm not sure if is that because they made the skull gold already? I don't know. It's a weird inconsistency. But I will say this does look really nice as gold. There's the gold Hot Wheels logo right there. Looks pretty good. Pretty cool. These models are pretty nice. All right. Next up, I'm going to do Mega Rex. So move this back a little bit. I'm going to put all this stuff here. Mega Rex. I love the finish on this. Gosh, this is a cool set. These are cool. So the Mega Rex is usually like a teal color, as you can see. Also, this is they actually recently retooled Mega Rex, so the tail is now actually casted into the body. It's no longer a separate plastic piece, like as you can see here, which I think is better because very often would this piece like break off. But look at the finish. It's like a metal. It's like obviously almost looks Spectre Flame. I don't think it's true Spectre Flame. I believe it is just like printed. But look at that. So the mouth and the teeth become gold. See the frosted windshield there. The logo is gold. The Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo is also gold. The scales here on the top, instead of being kind of this rainbow color, are gold as well. And yeah, it looks pretty good. It's one of the cons of doing a video outside is there's a barking dog that will not be quiet, and it's getting on my nerves as I try and talk over it. I really apologize. I did not expect someone to have a barking dog out here. Look at that! Look at the shade there. It's really nice. This one's a really nice one. I really dig this one. Love the gold scales on the top. Just the shade, kind of the way it changes from this light blue to the dark blue looks really good. Yeah, all right. Now, last one here that is not an exclusive to the set is the 5 Alarm. So I have this version of 5 Alarm here, and yeah, they pretty much just took the chrome aspects. The ladder is still white, which is interesting. The side here is gold. The flames are also gold. The text here is also all gold. Pretty much just took everything and made it gold, which is cool. So I can get a closer look at that. Nice and gold. The finish on these is really nice. I don't think, like I said, I don't think it's true Spectraflame paint. I'm pretty sure it is just like a wrap. So just kind of wrap the color on there. And that also allows them to do like kind of multicolor trucks, but like this looks really nice. These look really nice. This is, if you did not get this pack, go get it. Please. It's really cool. This thing is really awesome, and I really like it. I think, oh, I forgot to mention the price of this. I believe it was $35 retail. $34.99 from at Target. So, yeah. All right, let's get into the exclusive stuff. The stuff that is only going to be released in this pack. Here's the Baja Hauler. This was released, this thing debuted in 2017. And I shouldn't say I think. It did debut in 2017. Metal-based plastic body, so it's kind of got that weird dull gold color. Surprised it didn't do like VUM chrome color, but has the 50th anniversary Bigfoot logo on the side here. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo, Summit logo as well. With this kind of cool design. And yeah, that's really all it has to it. Not really much to talk about. But go right there. Next one is the Baja Truck. This debuted in 2012. And yeah, it is in a matte gold color, and it has the 50th anniversary Bigfoot deco there, Hot Wheels logo in the back as well. Also has a Summit and a Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo there as well. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I like this casting. It's all right. Yeah, I'm not really here looking at the cars. We're going to look at the Bigfoot truck now, because this thing, oh boy. Oh boy, this thing. Yeah, this one's all gold, and I wonder if this is actually Spectraflame paint, because I feel like it might be. And you know what, I think it is. Because I see like overspray on there too, if you can see that. I genuinely think this might be Spectraflame paint or something similar. It's actually got like a metal flake to it as well. This color is insane. So here's the normal version of Bigfoot. Oddly enough, no Firestone deco. I don't know what happened with Bigfoot and Firestone, but there's no Firestone deco on there. I don't know if it was a licensing. Maybe Hot Wheels doesn't have the license to it anymore. I don't know. There is no Firestone livery, but the graphics are the same. It's just they have been gold. They're also like, yeah, it's just gold. Unlike all these ones, this one actually has a gold base, has a gold chassis like the others, but it also has gold tires, gold wheels, so the whole thing is gold. And this thing, grill is gold, engine's gold. Of course, the windshield is this frosted gold. 50th anniversary logo on the top. There's the back. This thing is cool. This is the exclusive, and the color is so nice. Man, I'm a fan of this. I am a fan of this pack. I think this pack is really cool. Like, just the execution of them, the look. I really dig it. I think it's really cool. And that's the pack. I think it's cool. I really like the finish on some of these. I'm going to just go do a little once over of them real quick. Here's Tiger Shark. Once again, the regular ones have the gold chassis and the gold rims, but black base, black tires. They also have the frosted gold windshields and this kind of gold finish. So some aspects of the trucks have been changed to gold, such as trim, or if there's like insert pieces, they've also been changed to gold. And yeah, so there's that one. Megarex is really nice. The color, because it's like this really nice, almost Spectraflame kind of blue to teal in the fade, is so nice. And the gold scale, this one might be one of my favorites. I'm a big fan of it, and also the kind of Spectraflame green tail. Like I said, I don't think this is Spectraflame paint. I really think this is like a wrap, like a clear decal wrap, because that's how you can get like multiple colors like that and not having to use like multiple, especially because they did this with the split Hot Wheels toy in 2018 where like it was the split blue and kind of yellow chrome color. It was just a clear decal. Look at this. There's 5 Alarm with all that gold on there. The red's a really nice color too. And then the big chrome Bigfoot. Just gold. This set's cool. I have nothing else to really say other than that. This set's cool. If you didn't buy it, buy it. I like it. I'm not endorsed by Mattel or anything. I genuinely really like this set. I really like the execution of it. And yeah, that's about it. See ya.